consider the function f of x is equal to this. The function f of x can be rewritten in the form f of x is equal to ln of g of x. Question A, find an expression for g of x. So we need this to be rewritten as a single logarithm. We can use formulas given in the data booklet. What formula is that? Log over product is equal to the sum of two logs to the same basis, and log over ratio is equal to the difference of two logs to the same basis. But notice that these formulas work only when coefficients, all coefficients in front of logs are equal to 1. So we need to get rid of these two in front of this log. So we use this formula that log to the base a of b to the power of m is equal to m times log to the base a of b. So it can be rewritten as minus ln of negative x squared. Negative x squared, it's just ln of x squared. Or it can be rewritten as plus, so we move negative to the power, so it's plus ln of negative x to negative 2, which is 1 over negative x squared, so it's ln of 1 over x squared. Let's choose this variant. So f of x can be rewritten as plus, so it's ln of a product, minus it's ln of ratio, so it becomes ln of 2 minus x multiplied by negative 2 minus x divided by x squared. We can factor out minus here and minus here to get ln of x minus 2 multiplied by x plus 2 over x squared, and it's a formula a minus b times a plus b, which is a squared minus b squared, so it's x squared minus 4 divided by x squared. So g of x is x squared minus 4 divided by x squared. Question B, write down the range for the inverse of f. And remember that for a function and its inverse, x and y interchange each other. It means that the range, what does it mean? It means possible values of a function, so possible values of y are equal to possible values of x, or domain of a function. And domain of a function, it's x is less than negative 2. It becomes a range for the inverse. So the range for the inverse is so the values of the inverse function is less than negative 2. Possible y values over the inverse are less than negative 2. The function, the inverse of f, can be written in the form find the value of a. How to find an expression for the inverse? We interchange x and y for a function. So function is y, it becomes x. It is equal to ln of y squared minus 4 over y squared, and we need this new y to be found, and this new y is an expression for the inverse. So we need to solve for y. Log, by definition, what is it? It's log to the, for example, log to the base 2 of 8 is 3. Why? Because 2 cubed is 8. And ln is what? It's log to the base e. So e to the power of x is equal to this. It's just a definition of log. Then Let's multiply both sides by y squared. Move this to the left. And this to the right. And let's factor out y squared. Hence, y squared is 4 over 1 minus e to the power of x, and y is, in general, is plus minus a square root of this. Square root of 4 is 2 over square root of 1 minus e to the power of x. And what should we choose, plus or minus? And from the previous, the range is possible y values are less than -2. Square root gives us always positive values, so it's always positive. So to get y to be less than -2, there must be minus. So as the range of the inverse is less than -2, y is -2 over square root. Hence, the required a is -2. And that's all for this question.